So friends, first take a mixer grinder and add 1 cup of milk in it. Then add 2 spoons of sugar or as you taste. Now add 2 biscuits of Oreo. I usually create this one, or you can take any other cream biscuits also. Now add 1 spoon of milk powder and blend these ingredients well. So here is after blending it. You can add a bit of cocoa powder. This is totally optional. If you want it to be chocolatey, so you can add. Otherwise you can skip it. After adding, blend it again. So here is after blending it again. So let's do the another step. So first take a pan and pour the mixture that we have made. Then put it on a stove and put the gas on the full flame. Mix it well until it becomes a little thick. Put the gas on low flame after a while, but don't stop mixing it. So after a while, as you can see that its texture is a little thick, and on this stage turn off the flame and let it cool completely. Meanwhile, let's crush the biscuit. So to crush the biscuit, first take a Ziploc bag, and I am taking here the remaining biscuits and put the biscuits in the bag and seal it. Now take a roller and start crushing it like this. Now we do not have to crush it in a fine powder, we just have to crush it in a medium sized particles. Now shake the bag to keep it separate and we are done. Now take it on bowl. So here are our crushed biscuits. So after it cooled down completely, mix it well again and mix the crushed Oreo biscuits. And mix it well. Now I am adding here some chocolate sprinkles. This is totally optional. If you don't want to, you can skip this step. Now take an airtight container and pour the ice cream mixture in it. Like this. Now again I am sprinkling some chocolate sprinkles, and this is also optional. Now take a piece of foil paper or plastic wrap, or you can use polythene also, and put it on the container. Turn off the lid and let it freeze overnight or 7 to 8 hours. So friends, after 7 to 8 hours, as you can see that it's looking so tasty and its texture is so creamy and tasty. So friends, आप भी इस आइसक्रीम को ज़रूर ट्राई करना, and I will meet you on my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.